How to find my Gmail password on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can find your Gmail password. For this, you want to open up your settings. Now, you want to tap on this search icon. Once the search bar appears, you want to type password and then search for that. Now, you're going to find different options here. You want to tap on the one that says password manager. Now, all of these saved passwords on your device is going to be displayed over here. What you want to do is tap on the Gmail option here. Once you tap on the Gmail option, your Gmail account will be displayed over here. The password will also be displayed. All you want to do is tap on this I button to reveal your password. You can also edit your password from here or delete that as well. And in this way, you can find your Gmail password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.